Today, the Collision with Purpose Project Spotlight is on Miss Angela M. Mitchell. Miss Mitchell is an award-winning international best-selling author. She's an international speaker, a certified content marketing specialist, a digital marketing strategist, and the CEO and founder of Back to Her. She helps women entrepreneurs show up boldly in the marketplace and build boss brands using quality digital content that converts. Angela believes that every woman can be a successful entrepreneur with the right support and resources. Let us welcome Miss Angela Mitchell to the A Collision with Purpose Project Under the Spotlight.
Well, hello. Oh my goodness. Every time I hear someone read my bio, I'm still amazed that they're talking about me, right?
Well, you know, it's a powerful bio and it speaks to the work that you're doing.
Yes, thank you.
And I know it's not the work that you're doing for yourself, it's work you're doing to empower others. And just as it says here in your bio, Angela believes that every woman can be a successful entrepreneur with the right support and resources. And I completely endorse that.
Yes, I do. I definitely believe that. As long as you have that help, and of course, as long as that's what you want to do, the resources have to be there. And a lot of times we don't know that they're there. You know what I mean? And so that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for.
And you know, it's important to, and I know we're not into our conversation yet, but we're not here by ourselves, right? So having that support from others is of the utmost importance, isn't it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. We all need somebody, you know, to help us and to guide us, you know, in the direction that we're trying to go, especially when we're stepping into the entrepreneurial space and don't have a clue, you know, and just having that guidance, just having that mentorship and that strong help, that strong helping hand is just so vital. And it's such a game changer. It's such a game changer.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is. And that's why we're here today, because our work is game changing, right? What we do, you know, it's game changing. So Angie, it's a bit unfortunate that so many individuals have yet to discover, even understand what purpose is. What suggestions do you have for those individuals?
I think that is the inner work. You got to do the inner work, right? You have to start with yourself. You have to start with your thoughts and your mindsets and those beliefs that, you know, are holding you back and telling you, you know, I don't know what I'm here for. I'm not here for anything. You know, those type of things. You got to, it's the mind. And it's like, once you get control of that, and once you get a hold of that and rein those thoughts in, now you can understand what you are here for. First, it's all about self-understanding and self-awareness. You know, it starts with yourself. But I also think that if you're on that path, keep going and keep going. Don't stop. Life is a big journey. It's ever, you know, I think it's evolving. I think it's always changing, and I just don't stop. That's the thing, man. Don't get caught up in fear. Don't let fear and doubt keep you from walking in your purpose. Just don't let it stop you.
And those two words, right? Fear and doubt.
Yep.
Dangerous words, right?
Yes. And that's what kept me from so long from doing what I knew I was here to do. I was afraid that I wasn't good enough. You know, I was doubtful of my ability. And it took another woman to find that in me. And we both know this woman. We both know this woman, Joan T. Randall. It took her to find and to see in me what I couldn't see in myself. And so that's what I'm doing for other women as well.
That's awesome. You know, as she did for you, now you're doing it for others.
Yes. Yep. And that's what you're supposed to do.